So getting, focusing in on revenue and just overall forming of a budget. You've spoken about the importance of a break even analysis and know your break even is something that I hear you say often. Can you explain what that is and how you use it?
But for me, the break evens are for for that current year. I really want to understand that. I do include it in my projections,
Hmm.
down the road. But once I establish what I really think I'm going to achieve from all my revenue streams, that's the grant revenue, the gift revenue, the auxiliary revenue. Then I want to hone in on what my and auxiliary is. I'm going to include that with my tuition and fees. That's my student revenue, so to speak,
Hmm.
um, because I want to know what each component is going to bring in. And then I can say, okay, enrollment, based on our trending, based on what we think we can achieve in all of these other revenue streams, this is what we need to do from an enrollment perspective. So how do we achieve that? And again, that's looking at it from a business perspective because admissions is our sales team.